Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on Tecno Pova Neo 2. Firstly, go onto your home screen, and while you're there, just simply hold wherever there is a free space. So let's say here, or here. Yep. Now tap on widgets. Now select from which app you would like to add a widget. Let's say from, I don't know, Ampere. Yep, so tap on Ampere. Here we have different widgets. I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to tap on add to home screen. As you can see, it has been added. Now we can also obviously move it and just position it somewhere else. And if you would like to remove it, just simply hold it, release the finger, and tap on remove. And that's all. If I helped you, please like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, write them in the comments.